Let's make this 2 minutes creamy, frothy, smooth, world famous Indian yogurt drink known as Lassi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Samya. Before heading towards the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also press the bell icon so that you get the notifications and don't miss any of my videos. Let's start. Take 1 glass of plain non-flavored yogurt. You can also take simple homemade curd. Now I am going to make 2 glasses of lassi, so I'll take 1 glass yogurt. So whatever quantity of lassi you want to make, take exactly half yogurt. Pour it in a blender jar. Then take 1/3 glass of milk and add into it. Then take 2/3 glass of water in the same glass and add in the blender jar. Now add at least 2 tablespoons of fresh cream or malai. You'll not believe how amazing flavor this malai or cream gives to the lassi, so please don't miss it. Now for sweetener I'm using jaggery powder. You can use sugar if you want, but if you are using sugar, take either castor or powdered sugar instead of crystal sugar. So here goes 3 to 4 teaspoons of jaggery powder, and that's it guys. Blend everything together and your super delicious and healthy drink is absolutely ready to be served. You can garnish it with some chopped nuts or saffron strands if you want, but for me it's perfect. So I'm going to enjoy my lassi. You guys, what are you waiting for? You'll not get any easier recipe than this. Go and try it out now. See you next time. Bye bye.